Alright, it is. So this is a quick unboxing video of this Zebronics UPS, and that's the model number. You can see Zeb U725. Well, that's the cheap and best uninterrupted power supply available in the market. So that's the invoice. You can see the price is 1,999. That's a pretty cheap, and it's a 600 VA UPS. 360 watt. So I bought this from Amazon, and already my brother is using this UPS. It's a very good one, and that's why I bought this, because my UPS is suddenly died and the battery is dead, and I am not sure about the circuit board. That's a very old one, so I needed a UPS badly right now, immediately, and I didn't want to spend much money. That's why I got this one, and it's a pretty good one. You can see that's the UPS. It looks overload protection, microcontroller based, sleep mode charging, cold start, generator compatible, and boost and buck caviar. I don't know what is that. LED and audible alarms. All the UPS have that. Auto restart, simulated sine wave. That's the nice thing, because my UPS was just a square wave, and most of the UPS are square wave. This is a simulated sine wave, so it's close to the sine wave. That's a nice thing. And this is the company box, and I don't like the box at all. You can see that's the bottom part. It's everything, maybe a few kgs of weight, but that's the bottom part, no silt or anything. When I was trying to take it out of the Amazon box, and it slipped, the product inside slipped through here, and then I had to put it back again for this unboxing video. So that's it. You can see that's the price here, 2,499, and all the specs are here. Alright, now you can see that's a 600 VA 360 watt, 222 to 40 volt AC, and that's nominal voltage. Voltage range is the input voltage range 140 to 300 volt AC. That's a wide voltage range. That's a nice thing. And frequency 50-60 hertz. Voltage range AC to 30 volt AC. Battery mode to 30 volt AC. Transfer time 4 to 8 milliseconds. Waveform simulated sine wave. Number of output socket 3, and the protections: overload, short circuit, over discharge, and overcharge. That's a nice thing. Battery type 12 volt, 7H battery, and recharge time is 4 to 6 hours to charge 90% after complete discharge, and all the stuff, space, and the weight is 4 kgs. So that's it. I'll take this thing out of the box. Well, that's the user manual. You can read it if you want. I don't need that. So again, some specs here. Well, that's the 3 sockets, so you can connect 3 devices: one monitor, one main unit, system unit, and another thing, speaker or whatever you want. Now on Amazon, as I have seen in the review section, that many have given 1 star, 2 star, and the reason was they bought this for their Wi-Fi router and modem and something like that, and they don't get the backup more than 5 minutes. So let me tell you that the reason is this thing is microcontroller based, so it has a minimum load set already. So if you put a load below that level, then this is not gonna work very well. The microcontroller is going to turn the UPS off as it doesn't detect that minimum load. That's why it gets turned off within 5 minutes like that. But if you give the minimum load here, then it's going to work for more than 10 minutes or 15 minutes, or depending on the load like that. So the max, so the 10% of that would be 36 watt, like 40 watt. So you need to put at least a 40 watt device or something like that. Then you can get better backup like that. If you put something that 10 watt or 5 watt like that, then you're not going to get the full backup from that, because it doesn't detect the load and the microcontroller going to turn the UPS off. So that's the reason. But except that, the UPS is very good one and the cheap one. So I'm going to connect it now and then going to see. Well, as you know, in my PC I have two SMPS connected, and one for the main system, motherboard and all the stuff, and other one for the graphics card and also on hard disk, I guess. So two SMPS is going to be connected here and one monitor. So now let's see how this thing works. Alright YouTube, so I have connected this. Let's turn this on. Alright, it's on now, and let's turn this on. Alright, so that's it guys. That was the unboxing and testing video of this cheapest Zebronics UPS, and that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video, and I'll let them know the performance of this thing after a few months in this video only. So that's it. That's all for today. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.